last year. I wanted to give back to the community. I felt like that was a great deal to me, that Rosedale is my hometown. And I wanted to bring something that would bring all of the community out. The children, something for the old, young, and new. And then I came up with the bright idea of, hey, let's have a fireworks show. So I decided to combine that with a festival. This year though, due to the coronavirus, that is the reason why I had to change it up a little bit from the actual festival to a parade. We had a really good time this year. We actually had a lot of people to come out and support the parade, along with the fireworks show. The fireworks show was awesome. We turned the city out, everyone came out, everyone enjoyed it. We enjoyed it, and it'll definitely be something that we're gonna go along with every year from now on. So next year, we will definitely have a 3rd annual parade, Boomerang Parade, and fireworks show.
See is the I don't really need a D, I need the